My get ready with me video. If you want to see me going from this to this, some sort of transformation went down, then just keep on watching. I'm going to go in and use the new Iconic Bronze. I'm going to use a little bit of this because this is the colour that I'm going to match myself to. Whoa, that's dark. Ah, mahogany. And I'm just going to buff it in. This is just a little brush from Paeces for like €2. Two products that I use at the moment. The MAC Studio Fix NC like either 30 or 42 I use. And then I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the AMC from Inglot, and this is shade Curry. No, it's shade MC100. So I mix the two together because this is a full coverage and this is more of a lighter coverage, and them together it's a nice medium. This is my favourite concealer. It's Catrice and it's number 20. I'm just going to pop it right under my eye, if you can see. I pop it down the sides of my nose as well. It's going to highlight the area because it's a little bit brighter. See the way, like, I do my foundation pretty dark, but I always lighten it up. I'll go in and lighten up with another concealer. Don't be judging the cheese puff yet. Just go back in with my foundation brush and buff the edges. I'm going to use MAC Select Cover Up in NC20. I'm going to bring that right up to the brow bone. This is going to prime the eyes. It's going to stop any creasing. And it's going to bring the pigmentation out in the shadows more. Brightening concealer, so I'll pop that on my fab head. I'm just using a 4SS brush from Inglot to buff the product out. I'm going to set this all in place using the Ben Nye translucent powder. So I'm just setting this on places that I've highlighted. Also, I bring it down the sides of my nose because my nose gets so oily, so I find this is the only thing, no matter what primers I use, this is the only thing that will kind of stop the oils from going. Because after a while you could probably like fry your chips on my face. That's not even a joke. And use the mix between my Be Bold, this bronzer here, and 507 from Inglot. So I only apply bronzer to the outer parts of my face. That's the guideline of a number 3. I'm going to use vanilla pigment from MAC. A little nail art brush. Sure, while I'm here. I just don't like to highlight my cheek in case I have any fallout, and then it blends into my highlight. And that is nice. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. My palette is actually so dirty at the moment. But I'm going to stick around kind of like these nice warm browns. Popping it into the outer corner of the eye. And then buffing whatever's left up there. And with that product, I'm just going to slightly pull outwards with it. I use this yellow here just to blend the edges out. And then I'm going to deepen the colour with a little bit of burnt orange. Okay, so everything I've done on top I'm just going to do underneath, and I'm going to use the smaller brush. This is from Crown. This is a C528. And a little bit on the outer corners of my eye. Then just blending the edges out with whatever is left on my blending brush. The same pigment again. Just pop that into my inner corner. I'm going to use 77 gel liner. I use a nail art brush with a little line across my eye. Nothing exciting. I just want the liner kind of smoky. I'm just getting a little brush with a little bit of black and smudging the edges. This is hard to do on camera. Just going to tight line with it. I'm going to go in with a bullet brush and smoke out this underneath. This is just to get rid of any white gaps. And I'm just going to smoke it out with some brown shadow. My hands are filthy, they're absolutely covered in makeup, so I'm sorry. I'm going to be using these lashes. These are Ali and they're from Laura, the Eyelash Fairy collection. I'll link it all down below. Just go through my brows with a powder. I don't do anything to my brows. My mom does my brows and she does HD brows on me. It's just a little brow mascara from Essence. I'm going to go in and use Oh Darling from MAC with the fan brush. I want to be like nice and highlighted and glowy because I'm wearing red. A few of my lad friends are going over to Australia, so it's their going away party. Everybody seems to be going. And then I bring a little bit above my brows. I actually don't go out that much, funny enough. I'm not really a heavy drinker. I don't really like drinking that much. I'm gonna pop a cap in your ass. Energy levels are low. really starve myself for the day, so I'd fit into it, and then I'd take like, I'd smell vodka and would be on the floor. Really prone to bloating as well. It doesn't stop me. If I'm in a photo and I have a clutch in front of my belly, you know I've been fed well that day. Want to part yourself. The buff makeup, oh yeah, it's broken so I can't even show you, but it's like a peach tone, and it'll just blend the highlighter and the bronzer together. I feel weird about blush. I don't know how people don't wear blush. I don't really wear a pink blush. My mum ruined that for me. The one that I use is actually just one from Penny's Primark, whatever you guys like to call it. It's 150. I bring this out on a night out because I do not bring my MAC lip liner out or my MAC Rubywoo lipstick out, because I always lose them. So I'm gonna overdraw my lips. Yeah, this is how big we're going. Go in with my Rubywoo from MAC. It's matte. And it has, I think it's blue undertones, which make your teeth look even wider. I feel when I wear a red lip like my bronzer has just disappeared. Like my bronzer is gone when I put a red lip on. But yeah, so this is the red lip on. I'm gonna go hopefully try my dress on. Did I tell you? Oh my, this is my dress. Like honestly, I didn't open it yet, so I don't know if it fits me. I'm one of those, yeah, I know, my friends are literally sky high with anxiety. They're like, hey, now you coming out on? Oh, it has one of these fellas. Okay, so yeah, looks like it'll. Right, so I'm gonna put this on and then I'll be back. I really underestimate this. Will you zip up my dress for me, please? I'm gonna spritz this all over me again. While it's still wet. Exactly what we need. Okay, I'll try and show you my dress. Can you see my dress? The red tight, tight as fuck. No, so I'm actually gonna go now because my mates keep ringing me. I'm sorry, but thank you again so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If not, that's cool. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to do next. Bye, babies.